Hi everyone, this is Susie. I hope everyone is staying safe and staying healthy. I know we are all going through some trying times right now. Things will get better. Let's keep busy. Let's keep busy by gardening, cooking, cleaning. Go out in the yard and get some fresh air. Let's also visit each other tonight. Show some love and support. Tell us about your channel in the comments section so we can visit you. That will keep us busy for a while. I am showing my wonderful subscribers and who I am subscribed to. Love all of you. Please, please be safe. Let's go in here, do some shout outs, show some all my subscribers and who I'm subscribed to. Got gardeners, cooking channels, carnival rides, all kinds of animals. We got rabbits, birds, dogs, and some kitties, travelers. Having a lot of fun checking out everybody's channel, seeing things I've never seen before in other countries. Enjoying everyone. Looks like this might be a little fuzzy on here. I'm in a different room tonight. Everybody's okay. A lot of wonderful people on here. Put anything in the comments section if you want to talk or tell us how you're doing. Tell us about your channel also. Visit each other. A lot of wonderful people on here. I want to thank you all for watching. And have a great evening. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye for now.